Welcome guys to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I have for you another unboxing of a Proscenic 850T vacuum. This guy right here. Real fancy schmancy machine. You see all the infrared sensors that I can't see. So yeah, this is a pretty fancy machine, guys. So it's a Proscenic 850T. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Throughout the video, you are going to hear me say Proscenic. I don't know what the hell was wrong with me. I was thinking of myself too much. But whatever. The video is it's about a robot vacuum that can mop and vacuum your house, and it also returns to its charging station by itself, which is amazing. Now we are upgrading from an iRobot 400 Red, which is a long time ago. 2007. I bought it when it first came out, and I needed to upgrade to a better machine because I got tired of finding my Roomba underneath my bed and me having to dig it out and then take it to a charger. This guy, as soon as it knows that the battery is going down, it's gonna go straight to the charger. So that's why I purchased this one. So just again, keep in mind this is just an unboxing. I do call it Proscenic, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and here's the video. Alright guys, so here's the unboxing of the Proscenic. Here's the box, nice and pretty big. Proscenic right up there. Endless love for family, that's what it says. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. Let's not wasting time here. And there you go again, Proscenic. All right, so here we go. So I like this. It comes with a little protector, so you can protect that little vacuum. So in case of shipping damage. Here is the tank. Here's the tank to mop the floor. Nice, and it comes with a little tab on the bottom that can be removed, which is cool. All right, and you fill it up with water right here. Nice and easy. All right. It comes with an extra cloth wipe, so you can use one while the other one's getting washed. Comes with batteries. Here's the charging dock for the Proscenic vacuum / mop, and it comes with an actual holder for the remote, which is cool. Here's the actual remote. There you go. Boom. And also the magnetic tape. So in case you want to set boundaries for your house, has the magnetic tape, and as well as some 3M tape. So I guess you can stick the base on the floor maybe. All right, what else do we have here? An extra filter, which is very handy. These are not washable, but I'm pretty sure I can wash it. And then what else do we got? We got an actual brush here, so we can remove all those hairs and fibers that get caught up on the rollers. So that's pretty nice. Has the knife on there and a little duster. All right, nice instruction manual. What else do we got? And the charging, the actual charger itself. And here is the star of the show, as well as 4 little brush heads here. So let's get this box out of here. All right, so let's go ahead and take it out. Wow, that's pretty nice. And look at that. This is a glass top. That makes it feel very premium. So it has these little tabs here to protect it. Wow, it looks very premium. It feels premium. It feels like a $500 unit. So pretty cool. Here's the brush down here, as well as these wheels that are sprung up. Wheels feel pretty good, nice and thin. And yeah, this is the actual spinner thing. Let's go ahead and attach these brushes on here. Shouldn't be that difficult to attach. There's one, and there's 2. So there it is. It's all set up now. And here's the roller. Let's go ahead and take out the bin here. See how it goes. Very easy to take out. Here is the top of it. Here's the filter. Very easy. I like how it has an extra mesh on there, so that way you can clean the other one. So this one doesn't get all nasty very easily. And yeah, this is the actual dustbin. And here we go, it's open there, so we can see what's inside and throw it out. All right, so let's go ahead and put this baby back. And obviously, if you're gonna use it, if you're gonna use the mop, you're just gonna be switching out the mop feature versus just the vacuum feature. So yeah, nice roller, kind of small. I thought I would think this would be bigger, but you know, it is what it is. It does what it does. So that's cool. And it just slips in there. And then this goes back on, and it's ready to roll. So yeah, let's flip this guy over, and let's turn it on. Check it out. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so that's just it for the unboxing. Alright guys, that's the end of the video of the Proscenic 850T. I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you guys want to pick one up for yourselves to help you clean around the house. Because, you know, like me, I hate sweeping. I hate passing the vacuum. And the vacuum's so clunky. I'd rather just put it in the closet and only take it out on those days that I really need to get into those, you know, deep areas. You know what I mean? So again, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. We bust out content every week at least, maybe even more than once a week. And let me know if you do have a robot vacuum, what do you have? And is it working for you? So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.